Welcome to Flipdrop, the channel dedicated to finding the most profitable and undersaturated products to dropship on Aliexpress. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a like. Let's begin. Our first product is the automatic fishing bracket. Once the fish bites, it activates the trigger and automatically lifts the fishing rod holder up to keep the fish from getting away. It's a proven seller on Aliexpress. It's the perfect product for a one-product store. The Facebook ad has a lot of social proof with over 1,000 likes and 300 comments. Now the selling price for this is just under $34.95, whereas the product cost is only $17. Shipping will set you back 95 cents, so you're looking at a healthy profit margin of $17. Our next product is the self-centering Guage doweling jig. This jig can accurately find the center of a board's edge every time. No measuring and no tedious trial and error adjustments required. It's an evergreen product. It's in the DIY niche that's very lucrative all year round. It's not heavy saturated, only 470 orders on AliExpress. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad has good engagement with over 2,500 likes and 200 comments. Now the selling price for this is $65.99, whereas the product cost is only $29.99. Shipping will set you back $11.53, so you're looking at a profit of $24.47. Our next product is the magnetic building block set. These magnetic building blocks give your children virtually limitless possibilities in terms of what they can create or build. All they need to do is simply attach the pieces together and the magnets will do all the work. This item will fall into the toy and educational niche perfectly. It's an evergreen product. It's a proven seller on AliExpress. Now the selling price for this is $29.95, whereas the product cost is only $13.44. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a profit of $16.51. Our next product is the Golf Target Pro. This golf net is designed with 7 foot 2 meters wide large hitting area and a target sheet, which can better improve your swing, ball striking skills and swing strength. It can be used indoor or outdoors and a great gift idea. This is in the highly lucrative golf niche. Perfect for a one-product store. It's not heavy saturated, only 93 orders on AliExpress. Now the selling price for this is $55.99, whereas the product cost is only $29.99. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a profit of $26. The next product is the car tank fuel transfer pump. Ideal for emergency gas transfer, it can transfer any liquids like gasoline, oil, water, beer, and so on. A great tool at home for multiple uses. Perfect for a one-product store. It's an evergreen product. It's not heavy saturated, only 88 orders on AliExpress. Facebook ad has a lot of engagement with over 2,300 likes and over 300 comments. Now the selling price for this is $22.99. Whereas the product cost is only $10.72. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a profit of $12.27. Next product we have is the AntiFog winter mask. UV rays, wind, dust, freezing temperatures, snow, sleet, rain, and other elements are no match. You can wear this balaclava as a full face cover, open balaclava, half ski mask, or neckerchief on its own, under a helmet, with glasses or goggles. This is a seasonal product but may vary on the target audience. This is a problem solver product. Perfect for a one-product store. It's not heavy saturated, only 22 orders on AliExpress. Facebook has a lot of engagement with over 2,200 likes and over 261 comments. Now the selling price for this is $24.95, whereas the product cost is only $4.68. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a profit of $20.27. The next product is the Acupuncture Pen. Melt the pain away in just minutes with this Acupuncture Pen, a painless acupuncture-type stimulation that uses an electric pulse to promote blood circulation, detox the meridians, and reduce muscle pain. This is a problem solver product. It's in the health niche. It's an evergreen product. It's a proven seller on Aliexpress with over 3,600 orders. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product is going viral with over 3,700 likes and over 1,400 comments. Now the selling price for this is $27.99, whereas the product cost is only $7.99. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a healthy profit of $20. Next product is the DIY Fortress Building Kit. Spark creativity and imagination. Perfect creative toys for 2 to 3 or more children to play with. Helps kids work together to plan and solve problems, construct different creative structures. Perfect educational toys. This item will fall into the toy and educational niche perfectly. This is an evergreen product. It's a proven seller on Aliexpress with over 1,604 orders. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product is also going viral with over 4,200 likes and over 1,300 comments. Now the selling price for this is $35.95, whereas the product cost is only $16.40. Shipping is $1.78. So you're looking at a healthy profit of $17.77. And our last product is the NonSlip Gripper Spikes. The minimal ice grippers with full foot slip protection are easy to pull on or take off, securely fitting both shoes and boots. Perfect for winter sports, walking and hiking on grass and snow. For ice fishing, hunting, walking, jogging, hiking, running, snow shoveling, etc. It's not heavy saturated, only 842 orders on Aliexpress. Seasonal product, but once again can depend on your target market. Would be perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has over 634 likes and over 90 comments. Now the selling price for this is $14.95, whereas the product cost is only $5. Shipping is $2.95, so you're looking at a profit of $7. There will also be a free accompanying PDF for each video that will have a sample Facebook targeting graph for each product down in the description. That's it for today. If you like the content and would like to see more, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also giving the video a like. It would really help the channel out. Until next time, take care.